Hey everybody, what is going on? So something a little different today. I joined a free group, the Creator Boost Tribe. This group is run by Alexa Saarenoja and Mike Bayer at Old Me Living. That's the YouTube channel. Old Me Living Better is the title. And if you go to @OldMeLiving, you can find his channel. And both of those links are going to be in the description down below. But I joined this group, and Mike was very, very thoughtful and took some time and shared some feedback with Dana and I on our channel. And I wanted to use this video to kind of go over his feedback and address some of the things that he's suggesting. Part of going from zero to income and building a business that is going to actually generate some income is continuous improvement. All right. And so he gave us some really good actionable steps that we can take to improve on our channel. All right. And so I wanted to go over that in this video. So one of the things that he talked about right away was, where's your description? Good question. Where's our description? We just haven't done it. That we haven't put a description there yet. Chances are, if you're watching this video and you go and look, the description is going to be there now, but a year and 2 or 3 months in, no description. What's up with that, right? So we're going to add a description to the channel. He talked about our free toolbox and whether or not we were getting email from that. And yes, we're using that as a lead magnet. Again, building an audience. Part of going from zero to income. One of the puzzle pieces is building an audience. And that's the whole purpose of our channel, is to build an audience, get out there, share with people all the tools needed to build a channel, to build a business, and show people how to bring all those puzzle pieces together. And our channel is one of those pieces that we're using. And the free Zero to Income Toolbox is also one of those tools that we're using to build an audience for our business. So the main juice of his feedback, though, the real meaty part of it was he was having a hard time figuring out what we're all about. Are we about tech? Is it about starting a YouTube channel? Is it something else? And he's scratching his head, right? And I get it. If you look at our channel, we have a lot of playlists. And you might be wondering, what does all this have to do with going from zero to income, right? Great question and great feedback. And so we need to make that a lot more clear. Why? And how does it all come together? Okay, our goal with zero to income is to figure out how to help people, including ourselves, figure out what are all of these puzzle pieces, okay? And how do they come together to create a business? And then how, more importantly, do you go from that to actually getting some income? And one of the things was, he was thinking when he sees the name Zero to Income, his impression was zero to a lot of income. Granted, we'd love to be able to figure out the puzzle piece to make a lot of income. But right now, a lot of it is just how to get some kind of income coming in to maybe just pay for the tools that you're using. We know people out there who just would love to be able to have some income coming in to cover the cost of their Kajabi membership, which is part of the reason that we focus so much on System.io. It's a Kajabi replacement. It's free to use. And so you're not having to use funds that you don't even have yet to pay for a tool that's costing you $199 a month, right? So that's kind of what we're all about. All right. What are all these puzzle pieces? A lot of the people in our community are overwhelmed by technology. Dana and I, we have a little, we've got some knowledge on technology. Okay. And so a lot of our stuff is how to use that technology in your business. Okay. That's why we have all of these different components on our channel, because they all come into play in running and building your business. Okay. So, we might have some more videos coming up here to talk a little bit more about zero to income and what it is that we really are all about. Since it is it's vague. When someone like Mike comes along and looks at it and he's like scratching his head, that means other people are scratching their head, right? And it's our job as a channel owner and as a business owner to help people have a clear idea of what we're all about, right? And so again, Dana and I are all about just figuring out what all these puzzle pieces are for starting and running an online business and getting it to the point where it's creating some profit. Okay. So that's it for today, and covering Mike's comments. Again, Mike Bayer at Old Me Living. Comment that will be in the description. Again, I'll have a link to the free Skool community that Alexa Saarenoja runs. That'll also be in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody.